Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use checkboxes to select multiple items on your computer. To do this, go to File Explorer, or you can click on this icon here if you have it. You can also open any folder you have. There, click on File, then go to Change Folder and Search Options. Instead of this, you can also have options there. It's the same thing. You can click on it. Then, among the tabs, click on View, and under the list given on Advanced Settings, look for Use Checkboxes to select items, and make sure that option is checked. Then click on Apply, and then OK. So you can see your check boxes beside your files, and if you want to select multiple files, you can use the checkboxes to select them.